Hi everybody. Today we are reviewing 2007 in the history of minting €2 commemorative coins. It was in this year that the most expensive commemorative coin of €2 was minted. But let's start in order. According to the chronology of the release, it is crumpled into circulation, and the first coin was issued in Luxembourg. This coin is called the Palace of the Grand Dukes. The Duke of Luxembourg, Henri Nassau, is shown in the foreground, while the palace itself is in the background. This palace is the official residence of the Grand Duke of Luxembourg. The year of minting is indicated vertically. Above it is the mark of the Paris Mint, and below it is the mark of the director of the mint. The circulation of this coin is 1,100,000 coins. Recent sales on eBay have been at prices ranging from $5.20 to $6.80. Now the cheapest price for a coin is $6.1. Germany issued a second coin dedicated to the federal states. This is Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. The coin depicts the Schwerin Castle. Under the castle is the inscription Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, under the inscription the sign of the engraver. Do not forget that there are 5 mints in Germany, and the mint mark on this coin is located at the top above the castle. On the outer ring is the name of the country of the issuer, 12 stars of the European Union, and the year of minting. The circulation of the coin is 30 million coins. Recent sales on eBay have been at prices ranging from $3.90 to $7.80. Now the cheapest price for a coin is $4.80. In 2007, Portugal issued its first €2 commemorative coin. It is dedicated to the presidency of Portugal in the EU. The coin depicts a cork oak tree. On the left under the branches is the coat of arms of Portugal, on the right is the inscription Portugal in 3 lines. The initials of the engraver, the year of issue, the mint mark and the inscription, Presidency of the Council of the EU, are located along the arc. The circulation of the coin is as large as for Portuguese coins and is 1,275,000. On eBay, such coins were recently sold at prices ranging from $4 to $6. Now the cheapest price for such a coin is $5.60. This coin is the most expensive and most iconic coin of all €2 commemorative coins. This is a Monaco coin dedicated to the 25th anniversary of the death of Princess Grace Kelly. The coin depicts a portrait of Grace Kelly, the inscription Monaco below. Next to it is the mint mark, the year of minting, the engraver's mark. Also near the portrait of Grace there is the signature of the engraver R.B. Baron. This engraver 25 years ago already made a coin dedicated to Grace Kelly. In 1982, the year of Grace's death, a Monaco coin of 10 francs was issued. And €2 2007, in fact, the processing of the old coin of 10 francs. The circulation of this euro coin is only 20,001 copies, which already makes this coin very expensive. But it is not only the circulation that makes it the most expensive of all European commemorative coins. Firstly, this is the first commemorative euro coin of Monaco. The first coins of the country are always a little more expensive. Secondly, the cult figure of Grace Kelly. For those who do not know, Grace Kelly was a very famous Hollywood actress of the 50s. She even has an Oscar in the glory of the highest grossing actress of her time. Grace Kelly left a successful film career for love. In 1956 she became engaged to Prince Rainier III of Monaco, and became Princess Grace. This is a beautiful love story, which, moreover, was tragically cut short, since Grace had a car accident in 1982, after which she died. Let's get back to the coin. So, the circulation of the coin is 20,001 copies. On eBay, the sale of such a coin was recently recorded for $3,203. And it is very inexpensive for this coin, because only Chinese copies on the same eBay sell from $30. This coin, by the way, is one of the leaders in fakes, so be careful if you want to buy it. Now the cheapest lot with the original coin costs $3,874. The Vatican issued a coin dedicated to the 80th anniversary of the current Pope Benedict XVI. The coin depicts a portrait of Pope Benedict XVI, inscriptions in a semicircle, Benedict XVI, 80th birthday, and the City of the Vatican. R. Roman mint, year of minting, engraver's mark, and artist's mark. The circulation of the coin is 100,000 copies. On eBay, such coins were recently sold at prices ranging from $135 to $153. Now the cheapest coin costs $150. Italy until the 19th century was fragmented into many small kingdoms. The unification of Italy into one country took place between 1849 and 1871, and this event is called the Risorgimento. The main figure of the Risorgimento was Giuseppe Garibaldi. Now he is the national hero of Italy. San Marino has issued a coin dedicated to the 200th anniversary of the birth of Giuseppe Garibaldi. Actually, the coin depicts Giuseppe Garibaldi himself. On the left is the inscription San Marino, and on the right is the year of minting. R. Roman mint, and engraver's mark. The circulation of the coin is 130,000 copies. On eBay such coins were recently sold at prices ranging from $30 to $54. Now the cheapest coin costs $36. In 2007, Finland celebrated 90 years of independence, and it was for this event that they decided to issue a commemorative coin. The coin depicts a boat with 9 rowers, which symbolizes joint efforts. At the bottom, the year of independence 1917, and at the top, the year of minting 2007. The sign of the Finnish mint, and the letters FI, Finland. The circulation of the coin is 2 million copies. On eBay, such a coin was recently sold for $9. Now the cheapest lot with a coin costs $5.1. The entire value of the 2007 €2 commemorative coin collection, at today's lowest selling prices on eBay, is $4,081. That's all. Stay tuned for future releases, and don't miss out on your expensive coin.